let's discuss, guys. I'm just calling people in as I'm doing this. At least you have like a couple more people coming in. So just type there, whatever pair you're looking at. Let's just talk about it. So I'll give you my sentiment on Usdcad, and you guys can just see from that and then try and think on what I think about other pairs, because I'd like to think that I've actually given out my mindset and my psychology of trading so much on my live videos, so you guys can actually tell how I think just by looking at how I analyze the markets. This week I'm only looking at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is gonna shoot up, bro. Nasdaq, man, is gonna shoot up this week. Hey, my friend, Nasdaq is gonna shoot up, bro. It's gonna shoot up because that thing is sitting at a very interesting level, and I do see that top level being taken out quickly. So I do see Nasdaq going up. Like, we are eating, bro. We are eating. Bro, that figure, man, I'm still there. That figure I told you about, bro. I wanna make that money, man. I wanna make that money before the end of the month, bro. Before the end of the month. Maybe I might as well just go. I'll give you an analysis on US 30. I'll give you an analysis on US 30, and then you guys can just figure out what the other things are looking like Nasdaq and S&P. Jeremiah, bro, we must look into US 30, man. We must look into US 30 with international brokers. And we can even back that much money quicker. On which day do you all think Nasdaq will shoot up? From tomorrow, man. From tomorrow, Nasdaq is shooting up from tomorrow. So Nasdaq is a buy market, bro. Like, it's a long-term buy. So from tomorrow, Nasdaq is gonna go up. Oh, okay. Let's go to the charts. Elias, my brother, Elias, Ice the Kid. Okay, let's go to the charts, guys. Let's go to the real thing. And guys, I had a couple of testimonials from my Nasdaq calls from a couple of weeks back. People have been sending me results on the DMs. Like, people have been eating, guys. Like, it's just been beautiful. And I was just happy that people are just eating, and that just really like lifts me up. Kudani Mantingo, my brother. Oh man, it's been a long time, bro. I haven't seen you in a very long time, bro. Good to see you, my man. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. So I'm gonna show you guys what I think. S&P, US 30, and Nasdaq, bro. They're gonna give us money, bro. Like, those things have to give us that figure, bro. They have to give us that figure. Man. Okay, at least we've got about 30 people coming in. Let's do the live. Let's do the video. At least. Okay. Let's see. USDCAD. So USDCAD, as you guys would know, like, this is an analysis. Okay, let me light up my office. USDCAD, guys. So this analysis over here, like, I shared this with you just a couple of weeks ago. I'd like to think this was around the 5th of April. So 5th of April, literally, this was around 11 p.m. when market opened. 11 p.m. Market has been shooting up, so there's been a lot of money. There's been a lot of money put in, like, and the market was just shooting up, like, a long time. Market was just going up. Kudani, my brother, the feeling is mutual, my brother. The feeling is mutual. Man, I miss you so much, bro. Let's connect on WhatsApp, bro. I hope everything is well, and I hope Dr. Miz is well that side, my brother. I hope as well. So the market has been shooting up so much that we created a gap that side. This is a move that one of my friends actually made, like 3 million from a 9,500 Rand account. He flipped it to 3 million in about 2 days or something like that. So this was a strong push to the upside, right? So he came around about there. I think he exited like somewhere there. It was a crazy move. So from here, we stalled over there, tapped into the highs of 146.50, and from there, we actually started rallying. We started dipping into the downside. So market came, pushed this level, went back up to test the highs. This was around about a 1.8 retracement of that whole move. So that's a 60% retracement of that whole push to the downside. From there, we pushed down and we came back. This was around 38% retracement of this whole move. From there, the market just created spikes to the high. So the market was throwing spikes to the high, And from here, you can see that we actually established a strong resistance point over there. So market opened and market tapped this level and region, and this is where I called in the sell. So one of the guys on this live actually held the sell and he sent it to me on the DMs. This was the sell, and my general target was 137. So as you guys would know, I'm an institutional guy. I'm not like the other guys who would just come in and then leave. Like if I know that the market will come here, I'll keep on trading this direction. I won't just close and then just leave the market there. I'll just keep on trading until the market gets to my anticipated level, and we'll just cross that bridge when we get here. Like whether the market is going to go up or down, I'll just cross that bridge when the market gets there. So from here, market started dipping, and then we can see that there was a strong level here. This level was around 140-100. So this was 140-100. This was a very stubborn region and stubborn area for the market to break. Like the market took a while to break this level. So this was quite a significant area on this market. And obviously, since we struggled breaking this level, we must know that this is a very strong level. So it's a psychological level around about 130, 141. So everyone who trades Usdcad knows that Usdcad literally struggled breaking past this level. Once we broke past this level, came back to retest with that green candle, then we saw a major drop to 134. So 134 was actually 140, sorry. That was 140. So 140 was actually a nice support level. 140 was a nice support level. But obviously, the market would push down and then come back and pause. So this is a ranging pair. Like you must know, Usdcad is not like other pairs. So this move is a once in a while move, but usually Usdcad moves like this. So on a normal, like on a regular, the market would move like this, like go up and down on Usdcad. So if you're trading Usdcad, you must know that Usdcad is quite a ranging market. Like it's not a very fast pair like other pairs. So you should be willing to hold for a couple of days before you hit target. So then market went up. A lot of people were excited. Like Usdcad is rising. And I kept on telling them, guys, this thing is not rising. This is a pullback. You cannot be happy that you had this. Like this cannot be reason enough for you to trade. Like I'm just going to show you guys quickly. This is not reason enough for you to think that the market is rising. It is not reason enough. This is not valid enough for you to come and call in buys. My clients know that trend lines are not our reason of trading. We are not trading based on trend lines. We're trading market structure. Like we know what we're doing, and so like we want to catch everything before we actually like trade. So we need to understand the general structure of the market to know what the next possible move for that pair is. So we cannot validate a trade and say, okay, the market is buying because it broke past the structure. Well, that's stuff for other day. That's like a different topic for a different day. Like this is just me giving you like basic stuff, right? So you cannot say that you're going to sell, you're going to buy simply because market broke past this trend line. I mean, look at this, look at this. If you look at this, then the market came back to this level, this stubborn level that it failed to break for a couple of days around there, and we came and we tested it. So if you look at the structure, you can see that the market is forming significant lows, even when the market is like breaking past these. But if you look at the general picture, I'm sure if you would go to the daily or even the weekly time frame, you would see that the market is creating significant lows. Like the market is just going lower and lower and lower. And from here, I'm expecting that we come and take out this low, this previous low, and we go hit 137. So 137 before the end of the week, I do anticipate that move. This is the 4-hour time frame. So from that level today, this is literally like 250 pips. That's a 250 pip move. Where the market is now to that level, that's a 250 pip move. You can literally double your account or even like change your whole life from this trade. Like your whole life can change from this trade. So this is a 250 pip move. Take out this low around about 139. So if we take out 139, then 137 is possible for me. This is what I'm looking at. So this, guys, is stuff that you can actually learn and get to like practice. On the other hand, we're here. On the other hand, we are here on the other hand. But that's a story for another day as well. And my Nasdaq trades have been shared on the 3420. So on the 3420, they've been shared. Like this is what's happening. Like this, that's Nasdaq. That's Nasdaq for you. That's NAS. And then here we have the real-time market. So that's what's up, guys. That's what's up. Honestly. That's me, and that's what I'm looking at. That's me, and that's what I'm about. That's what I believe in. So I believe so much in what I believe in, and I know that the market will do what I believe in. So yeah, adios. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Gave you guys